Hello everyone, welcome to Big City Crypto and GameFi, your go-to channel for everything in the blockchain, gaming and play to earn economies. So guys, today we are diving into the details of one of the Web3 most iconic games, that is Axie Infinity. Before we get into the details, I would suggest to all my viewers, if you are new to my YouTube channel Big City Crypto and GameFi, please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out any updates. So dear viewers, keep it in mind, this video is being made only for the information. It must not be considered as financial investment advice. So please do your own research before any investment decision. So here we discuss about the Axie Infinity. So there we viewers, Axie Infinity is a blockchain-based virtual world where players collect, breed, and battle adorable NFT creatures called Axies. Created by Sky Mavis in 2018, Axie was built to introduce millions of users to blockchain technology through charming nostalgia-driven gameplay. Each Axie is a unique tradable NFT that lives on Sky Mavis Ronin sidechain, enabling fast, low-cost transactions. So this is Axie Infinity, bringing amazing opportunities for you. And here now I will explain what is the marketplace, what is lore, what is Axies, and how can you get a detailed information from the white paper of this amazing gaming project. So here we discuss one by one. So, dear viewers, the Axie Marketplace is the official hub to buy, sell, and trade Axies, land plots, and other digital assets. To get started, players must own at least 3 Axies to play. You purchase Ethereum, transfer it via the Ronin bridge or any other compatible wallet into a Ronin wallet, and then trade securely on the marketplace. Sky Mavis takes a small fee on each sale that consists of around 4.25%. And here you can check the overall stats, more than 13,000 total sales, and the total volume is 13.357, and Axies sold more than 4,000. So here you can check the Axies, here you can check the total Axies, and here you can check the owners. You can get details, and this is the marketplace top sales. You can get accessory, land, item, run, and char material consumable. So all details have been provided, and here you can check the recent listing. So, dear viewers, Axie resides in the virtual world of Lunacia, a player-run digital nation. According to the story, Lunacia was once home to gods and immense magic, and now it's under siege by creatures called Chimera. Players help rebuild and defend the kingdom with their teams of Axies. This immersive lore sets the stage for the battle, exploration, and land ownership. So here we will discuss the Axies tokens, and here you can check that Axie Infinity uses two tokens, that is SLP, and SLP is earned by playing especially arena PvP matches and is used when breeding Axies, and Axies is the governance token with a craft supply. Here you can check that Axie Infinity shares are ERC20 governance tokens for the Axie universe holders who will shape the future of Axie Infinity by signaling their support for upgrades to the ecosystem and directing usage of community treasury. Here you can check the Axie's vision document, and here you can check the audit report. So this is Axie Infinity Shards. What is Axies and what is staking? What is the payment method and what is the governance? So here is all detail have been provided. Here you can check the staking Axies. Players, 3 players are connected with game universe, and here you can check the community treasury, and here you can check the Axies holders. So you can check the this cycle, and here you can check the allocation. Staking reward 29%, Sky Mavis 21%, play to earn 20%, 11% for a public sale, 8% for ecosystem funds, and 7% for advisors, 4% for private sale. So all the breakdown is available, and I would suggest all my viewers to be part of this amazing gaming project. So this is the white paper of the Axie Infinity, and here you can check the Axie Infinity universe detailed information, and here you can get the detailed information about the community and economy, and here you can find out, you can check out the mission of the Axie Infinity. What if we built a game that could onboard the world to Web3? What if we could make crypto nostalgic, educational, and immersive? All these questions have been explained in this white paper, so I would suggest to all my viewers to read out the white paper of the Axie Infinity. This is the official Twitter page of Axie Infinity. If you want to get latest information, announcements, and updates about the Axie Infinity, and you want to connect with the community, I would suggest all my viewers to follow the Axie Infinity Twitter official page. This will be proved very useful for you. Now we will discuss the important question how we can join it. So process is very simple. First of all, you will have to log in, and here you can see if you want to log in, you will have to connect your wallet, and here you can see that Ronin wallet, Quantum wallet, Phantom wallet, MetaMask wallet are available. Here you can connect your wallet that is compatible to it. So dear viewers, here you can see that I have connected my wallet, and here you can check the Atia's Legacy Explore, Discover, Build, Battle, and here you can check the pre-registration for the summer play test. Here you can pre-register your account, and here you can check the what's Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity is virtual world filled with cute formidable creatures known as Axies. Axies can be battle collected and even used to mine tokens through gameplay. Here you can check total Axies that consisting of more than 11 million, and here you can check total owners. Here you can check the total sales consisting of 4.3 billion, and here you can check that total transaction that is consisting of more than 24 million. Here you can check the ecosystem of the Axie Infinity. You can check Atia's Legacy, App.exe, Axie Infinity Homeland, and Axie Infinity Origins. These are the versions of the games, and here you can check the Web3 gaming revolution. You can play, you can collect, you can own your Axie digital collectibles are truly yours. Use them in game, trade, sell, or obtain unique resources. So these informations have been provided on their website. So dear viewers, now we will see how we can play Axie Infinity. This is initial mode level 1. I am using 3 axes, a plant at the front, a beast in the middle, and aqua at the back. Each Axie has 4 ability cards. There are skills used in the battle. Starting the battle, now I use a shield card on my plant and skip attacks. Now I will attack the beast and aqua. So here you can check, I will finish the last one with aqua's card. So you can win, and Exagot, you can get some XP and earn a small amount of SLP. Perfect start for beginners. Let's keep leveling up, and this is leaderboard from where you can check your XP and SLP. You can complete your challenge, and here you can get cards, and here you can get all new cards. You can use these cards to fight the battles, and here you can that like attackers or shield these cards, and here you can slay your enemies, and here you can see that we are fighting hardly and join millions of players in this game and get amazing reward. In summary, Axie Infinity is more than a game. It's a full Web3 ecosystem. Collect unique NFT Axies, battle and earn crypto, breed and trade, own virtual land, and participate in governance via Axies. For news, guides, and deep dives into the GameFi, stay tuned to Big City Crypto and GameFi. So dear viewers, if you found this video useful, please don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you for watching the video. Here, let's explore the future of gaming together. See you next in the video.